out working with the chipper shredder cleaning up brush. And because of that, I need a back brace. Better safe than sorry, and I have been sorry before. It will be very hot and sweaty, so lots of water needed for this day. Just need to get the bush hog off the back and then hook up chipper shredder. First thing to do is get that guy lifted up and get some dollies under it. This chain's got to be loosened up considerably for the other trick to work. Now that wheel will stay on the ground with this front up. Front's on the dolly and the back's on the wheel. Everything looks good. We can disconnect it all. There, now that thing is movable, which is very handy when you have to hook it back up. It's extremely heavy, but because these dollies are on here, I can move this thing right up to the tractor. So much easier than trying to move the tractor to it. Putting these things on. Well, attaching these links too soon was not a good idea because it squunches this thing up too much. Alright, we'll lift that up, set her down, make sure it's level. Well, pretty happy with that, I think. Mills WC68 Woodchipper. Takes up to a 6-inch log, branch, limb back in here. We've used it a few times and been super pleased with it. And this guy's adjustable. Yeah, there we go. You can move that guy wherever you want. Transportation, we'll leave it there. So that bad boy is ready. The faithful assistant is cleaning up all my mess. That's even better yet. Hadn't got a new chain. I got sick and tired of this thing. No matter how much I sharpened it, it never seemed to cut very well. So got a new chain. We'll see. The Expeditionary Force is just about ready to go. Gas, chain oil, chainsaw, weed whacker, blade attachment, water. If you want to bring a rake, you can bring a rake. The sweetie is right as usual. So we'll fire this stuff up and get moving. But I think this setup will work. This is the tree. A tree, one of the, well, it's a branch. Yeah, there's a couple branches on that thing. This is an elm. It's about half dead anyway from the Dutch elm disease. So that branch is coming down, going into the chipper shredder. And we just happen to have a pile of old chips here that I'll just spray out there on that. Looks about right. Get the PTO engaged and run up the speed. We'll do a test branch. Perfect. So push the red handle in, all the way in. That'll back it out. Now you can pull it back. Pull it back. Big one. Well, doesn't that look better? Mighty nice. Mighty nice looking. It's hard to stop. You just want to keep going. We had a big tree come down in the storm, so we'll go over there and see what we can do with it. That is a shame. That was a nice tree.
Well, but look how it's all. Yes,
yeah,
it was
they're
a maple, but it was like gnarly.
Yeah, it's a gnarly swamp tree for sure.
But it does give you some color in the fall.
That's a very large tree. Yeah.
We didn't bring a chain, did we?
I don't think we need a chain because I'll have to cut pieces off with the chainsaw.
With your boots on, you.
Yeah,
I mean,
I think that'll work, and then we'll just cut branches off and drag them out before we start the chipper up.
Well,
I think.
Where are we setting up the chipper?
I don't know, but I just thought we'll get this stuff cut out and make a pile, and then set the chipper up, and then get the wagon so we can put the chips in it. Yeah, actually, this is the one I got coming down. I was on the porch and I actually saw it, and I got it on camera even. Holy moly, that tree just went down. Well, she was plugged up good. We just cleaned it out, but we'd been running vines through there, which is a very satisfying feeling. You know, I hate vines with a passion of 1,000 burning suns. But the vine had its final vengeance and wrapped itself around the bearing there, and then this whole thing was just plugged. So we just spent about 20 minutes cleaning that out. Well, we made good progress. It has gotten very hot. We've had to clean this thing out a lot of times. These stupid grapevines get in there and get wrapped around. But the sweetie has figured out how to do this all by herself. Pretty impressive. She cut her arm on a branch. She blames me, but I was nowhere near her when that happened.
You smacked me with it.
No, that was there before you got smacked. Not that you were smacked. Well, the Woodland Mills is an awesome machine. We put some 6-inch pieces in there, and by golly, it munched them right up. But it does get plugged up a lot, and we think that's mainly because we're putting green wet stuff in there. Now we're gonna pack up and get out of here. All right, everything is, you're gonna lose half of that on your way back. You can just haul that bad boy around anywhere you want. Yep. We'll need to get out here and get this stuff split one of these days. Right toasty out. Well, 78 degrees in here, that's great. Calling it a day though. I am way too old to do that for very long out there, but had a fun day with a sweetie. Doing what we do best, which is futzing around out on the property.